Hi, this video is showing you how you can also reach the complex coming from the San Juan or the Gargur area, where basically we can turn to the left if we are coming from near the Melita shop or DGS as it was known before. And basically I'm going to show you a shorter route which would actually help you to avoid the traffic which typically accumulates near the Naxxar Church, especially due to these famous diversions that there is. So let me make sure. Okay. Alright, so just as if you are going to the higher secondary school, as you can see, there is that famous mill there, the Midkhna. And instead of going towards the higher secondary, in which case we would turn to the left, instead we make a sharp turn to the right towards this direction. Now when there is no traffic, it would be, as you can notice, simpler to just go through the roads leading to the Naxxar Church and then down straight to Labour Avenue. However, this shortcut might also save you some time whenever there is traffic, because actually, as you will see, you will find yourself in the middle of Labour Avenue, so even closer to the studio than if you were to go down from the Naxxar Church direction. Here we are. As you can see, we are in Labour Avenue. Again, there is another sign about the diversion, so we'll simply be very careful and we'll go down straight to the complex, which is now on our left. There is the U complex. We're here again. Yet again, let me remind you that the best route, especially if you are coming from the Birkirkara, Lija, Attard, Mosta area, is to park near Triq l-Amerika, America Street, or Triq il-Greċja, Greece Street. Take care.